it's a new day, and today it's really sunny. It's really nice. I've put some suntan lotion on. We're going to tackle that wall. So I've already got the paint ready, and it's obviously, we filled it the other day. So I've primed it. I need to give it a little sweep around the edges, but we're going to paint it all the way down and then all the way up to that shower area. And I've already PVA'd it, so it's all nice and tacky. The roller's a bit crap, but we'll see how we go with that. But it shouldn't be too bad. It feels pretty sticky. I'm pretty happy with it. So I am not going to bore you with me painting the entire thing, so I'm going to time lapse it instead. So you should be able to see everything. Hope you enjoy. I completely underestimated how hot that was going to be, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till this evening and then paint it then and carry on. So I've done up to there. Look at the colour difference, it's ridiculous on that wall to that wall, and I've done all the way down here. Now it's not really for looks, it's more like to protect the wall against the moisture, so you can see the difference in the two walls there. So I'll leave that and then we'll see how that goes on. But you know, I might have to do the entire wall and then give it like a whole nother coat depending on how the cracks and stuff come through. I also might need to get another roller because this one's just picking up all the dirt and it's really, really hard. But I'm going to leave it for a few hours, and we'll come back to it when it's cooled down a little bit, because I'm just getting burnt even though I've got suntan lotion on, and it's really hot. I've been sweating so much. Okay, it is a new day, and today we are going to a vineyard or a bodega. I don't know where it is, a few miles away. Someone's taking me there. So it should be fun. The weather is really nice. And we're going to drink lots and lots of wine. Obviously I'm going to show you when we get there, and I don't really know what to expect because I've never been to one before, but it's something that I've always wanted to do. So yeah, we'll get there and then I'll show you around.
Hello everybody, and welcome to Vera de Stenas. My name is Yolanda, and I'm Feli's daughter. He's the winemaker, and I'm Eduardo's cousin. He manages all of the tourism part and the hotel as well that we recently opened. Yeah, you're gonna do the tour with me. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Let's start.
Where's your dad? Where's your dad?
Small garden.
When I can see it, I can hear it. If I don't see it, then it doesn't.
In Valencia, and that is how he got to learn a lot about wine. Then he decided to make his own business, so he used to buy and sell wine, and that is how he got to travel a lot around Spain and outside Spain as well, visiting vineyards, wineries, meeting a lot of people in the industry. They are tiny, and this is very good because this allows us to produce very intense wines with very intense colors, smell, taste, everything, because the quantity of water is less, so all of these flavors are going to be way more concentrated.
You put one in your mouth.
Yeah, they're teeny little ones, these.
I'm gonna get off. I think we should go deeper into the.
Oh, they're
Oh,
beautiful.
it's like my nuts, that is.
Oh, sweet as hell.
I'm gonna go further.
Sugar in that
I'm gonna
little
go
grape.
further in.
They're not plump like the other ones.
So what's this one? Did she say?
These are like blueberries.
Hang on. I'm gonna find a good bunch. There we go. That'll do. So they're pips. Oh my god.
Flavour in that teeny little grape. It's unbelievable, isn't it?
That's so sweet.
You think that'd be sour? No. I've got both of them in my breakfast. I'll be really happy.
If we walk further away, we can eat more without them noticing. Do you reckon they only have this field for us? For the
Sorry?
tourists? Do you reckon they only have this field for the tourists? They must do. It's not very big, is it? They are small.
Yeah, this is very small production. This one. I'll have to find out. We'll have to ask her again what this one is. Even though this soil's white, it's very soft, isn't it? The soil. So it probably really absorbs the water when it does rain.
That's really sweet. They didn't want to. Sylvia and Ian clearly didn't want to taste the grapes. It's annoying they have pips though.
It's the old caves.
Do you reckon they store things down there still or not?
I don't think anything they use now. No.
It's cool in there, isn't it? Very cold.
Yeah.
Cool, it's dangerous.
Yeah, the cave's got all under the village square. I was going to show you until I got shoes. Anyway. Still got really old barrels down there from years and years and years and years,
Really?
years ago. Yeah. I'll show you. I think that's just the year.
Yeah, it says the and the date.
Yeah.
23, 22, 22. It's cool though. Oh, the bridge. This is nice.
I don't know if it comes from a well.
What, the water?
Dennis, group photo.
That's all over the place. It's cleaner than the water park, that.
She says it's nice cold, it comes from underground.
Yeah, as soon as she said that, I wanted to swim in it.
Yeah, I know.
Let's we'll see how cold it is.
I think they need a pool cleaner though.
No, that's crystal clean.
Yeah. No, the water's clean, yeah.
Needs a bit of paint or a tile. It's a lovely pool. Is it an actual pool though? It's a lovely pool, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm sure they need to water.
They must be, yeah.
Don't hold it by the stem.
Which one is that?
You smell that?
This is just yeah.
Very nice.
It's always last, isn't it?
So we are tasting Estenas Blanco. You're gonna taste three very different wines. So the first one is the youngest one.
Ooh.
This one doesn't
Very
have
palate
any
cleansing, that is.
bottle straight after documentation.
Yeah.
The vintage is 2023, so white. And it's a blend.
Not much bouquet, but the taste.
Oh, no.
This wine is perfect for this season.
Oh, right. Oh, no.
Put them on the floor.
See? Can't see the screen.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. Good food as well.